Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be exploring ACPT Part 4 for beginners. In the previous tutorial, I demonstrated the process of setting up a custom taxonomy with an image custom field to store category images. This allows us to categorize each recipe appropriately. In this tutorial, we will fill in our recipe posts and categorize each recipe based on its meal and cuisine type. To add our first recipe, navigate to Recipe Custom Post Type and click on Add New Recipe. Next, we will create our first recipe titled Chickpea Salad Delight and provide a detailed description of it. We will categorize this recipe under Turkish cuisine for the type of cuisine, as well as dinner and breakfast for meal type. After that, we will proceed to populate the other fields. The difficulty level of the recipe is determined by its cooking complexity, categorized as easy, moderate, or difficult. In this instance, we will select the easy level. After that, we will begin adding the ingredients. For the ingredient field, we use repeater fields because the use of a repeater field will allow us to add as many ingredients as needed without the need to specify the exact number of entries in advance. Once all the ingredients have been added, the next step is to add instructions. This field is also a repeater field, allowing you to effortlessly insert as many steps and instructions as needed. Next, proceed by including the nutritional information. This involves specifying the name of the nutrition and its corresponding amount. By doing this, users viewing the recipes on the front end will have visibility into the nutritional value they will receive from each recipe. After completing the field entries, remember to include the recipe image as a featured image, then publish the post. I will include additional recipes behind the camera and will come back shortly so we can proceed to display the data on the front end. After adding recipes, we should display the data on our website's homepage to ensure that everything is dynamic and functioning correctly. Go to the pages, select all pages, locate your homepage, and click on Edit with Bricks as we are using the Bricks page builder to design our website. I've created the hero section beforehand, but don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. I use the basic elements provided by Bricks, as you can see here. We must display the meal types, which is the custom taxonomy we created in our previous tutorial, by querying the taxonomy and presenting the list we need to use the Bricks query loop. In order to retrieve information from our taxonomy, it is necessary to activate the query loop in the Bricks. Then click on the query icon to access the query parameters. Set the type to terms and select the meal type taxonomy from the drop-down menu as we aim to display the terms related to meal types. Next, add an image element and basic text. These will be used to display the category image and corresponding label for each term. To retrieve the image, click on the dynamic data icon and find your custom field name where we stored the category image in a previous tutorial. And we will use the term name for retrieving the name of the term. Then we will do some basic styling to make it look nice. To display all terms related to meal types, regardless of whether they have any associated posts, enable the Show Empty option. After making this adjustment, save the changes and preview the design on the front end. That's it, everything are displaying correctly as intended. However, we need to view recipes associated with each term by clicking on the term. To achieve this, we need to convert our cards into clickable links and link them to the corresponding term URLs. Now by clicking on each term, viewers can easily access the associated recipe based on the meal type they are interested in. This marks the completion of Part 4. In the upcoming tutorial, we will display recipes on our homepage. Thank you for watching.